welcome back to News Vision today. Now I might post a video every single day, so stay tuned for that. But this video, I have slime. And this slime is like really sticky. I really like sticky slime, one of my favorites. Slimes to play with. And you can, this one's really nice because you can look through it and it really sticks to you, like it really does. Slime is one of my favorite things to play with of all time because first of all, making it is even more fun than playing with it, in my opinion. So we had the blue slime with white balls. I don't know if I should show every single slime with the amount of time I have to make a video, but yeah. I have this slime. It's like gold slime. Look for it. It's really nice. It's not sticky though. It's not sticky at all. That's why I go fast in the videos because I don't have a lot of time. I just want you guys to know it because I don't. You guys to think something else. We had this slime, like a tongue color slime. It looks literally actually the same color. Double tongue. Forgot to do that. Yeah, this slime is a lot of slime. Oh! That was really loud. That was a loud pop. This slime is pretty bad. This slime doesn't really work that well, but yeah. Well, I'm gonna try to post a video every single day. Can't make any promises. This slime is absolutely terrible. It's literally like this slime. It's really bad. I tried to put in lotion, but it didn't really work. This slime, another gold slime, but a little bit better than the last one. And this last slime, my googly eyes. It's that orange slime. So, we have every single slime I made. And I have a Gujitsu right here. You can get it on Amazon. But I got it at Walgreens when this fiasco of the coronavirus was happening. It's not happening. So it is. Bye guys. Nina wave. Bye.